Hello dear students, welcome to Konar classes. Today in this session we are going to discuss the sum of n terms of special series. What are those? The first one what we are going to do is that the sum of the first n natural numbers. That means the first one what we are going to do is that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. That is the sum up to the first n natural numbers. Then we will see the sum up to the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. That means what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. In that way it goes up to n square. And then we will learn that how to find the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. That means what, dear students? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Okay, so first we learn these three. If you recall, dear students, that during the discussion of the principle of mathematical induction, we actually proved this thing when you know the result. If we know the result, then we can prove using the principle of mathematical induction. And that is one of the drawback of principle of mathematical induction, is that you need to know the result so that you can prove it. But here what we are going to do, we are going to find the result. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. What is that? That we are going to find. So let's see. Okay, so let's address the first one, dear students. Okay, the first one. If we see that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, this is in arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression with first term a, we know that a is the first term is 1, and the common difference d, that is also equal to 1, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Correct? Because we see this is in arithmetic progression with common difference 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, and so on. So now for this arithmetic progression, sum up to the first in terms, that means if we define Sn, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus plus up to n, that should be equal to n by 2 into 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct, dear students? What is the value of a? The value of a is 1. So that we get n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d. d is also 1, the common difference. Okay, so what we get? So this is equal to, we get n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. 2 plus n minus 1. That is equal to what? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. And this is the result. The sum up to the first n natural numbers, this is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So let me write it down here. So what we get, this value we get, this is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Correct? Now let's proceed to the second one. Okay, so that is nothing but the sum of the squares of the first n natural number, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. How to find it out? You see, dear students, that the previous one, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, that was in arithmetic progression. But 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, this is not in arithmetic progression. Because the difference between 2 square and 1 square is not equal to the difference between 3 square and 2 square. What is that? 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 square is what? 9. 9 minus 2 square is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the difference is not the same. So it is not in arithmetic progression. This is not in geometric progression also. Why? Because 2 square by 1 square, that is 4, is not equal to 3 square by 2 square, that is equal to 9 by 4. So then what? So here we need to help from some identity. What is the identity we can think of, dear students? So we are working on the second one. Okay. So let's take that Sn, the sum up to the first in terms of the squares of the natural number. That means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, in that way up to n square. So let me rephrase the statement that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square is known as the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Okay. How to proceed? So let's take that k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube. Okay, we are going to find the value of this expression. Why so? I will explain after 1 minute. Okay, so that is equal to what, dear students? So k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube, that means k cube minus 3k square plus 3k minus 1. That implies that k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to k cube minus k cube plus 3k square minus 3k plus 1. So k cube and k cube got cancelled, and that is the important part. If you see that k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube is become now 3k square minus 3k plus 1. Okay, why so? Now we are going to apply the value of k equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n, and then you will get this series actually 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to n square. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Here it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n times. And it will help us to find the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. So then what we get, dear students? So from here we get that k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to 3k square minus 3k plus 1, and this is an identity. Identity means what, dear students? So we can apply any value of k. Okay, so let's apply the value of k is equal to 1. So first we apply the value of k as 1. What we are going to get? If we apply the value of k equal to 1, we get 1 cube minus 1 minus 1, that is 0 cube, that is equal to 3 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. Now let's apply the value of k is equal to 2. If we apply the value k equal to 2 in this identity, so this is the identity. Okay, in this identity we are applying these values. So if we apply k equal to 2, left hand side we get 2 cubed, because k cube, k is equal to 2, 2 cube minus 2 minus 1 whole cube, that is 1 cube, that is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Now apply the value of k is equal to 3. Okay, apply the value of k is equal to 3. Then what we are going to get, dear students? We are going to get in the left hand side is 3 cube minus 3 minus 1, that is 2 cube, that is equal to 3 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 1. In that way, if we proceed, then what we get, dear students? So if we proceed here in this way, we will get k is equal to n. If we apply k equal to n, what we are going to get in the left hand side? Left hand side we will get n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to, in the right hand side we get 3 into n square, 3 into n square minus 3 into n plus 1. Correct? Now what we are going to do, dear students? That we are going to add all these things. Okay, if we are going to add all these things, what we are going to see, let's observe. Okay, this 1 cube and minus 1 cube will get cancelled, this 2 cube and minus 2 cube will get cancelled, And in that way we will see this 3 cube will get cancelled in the next step 3 cube. Okay, when we will apply k equal to 4, it will become 4 cube minus 3 cube, so that will get cancelled with 3 cube. In that way, if we proceed, there will be n minus 1 cube, okay, and that will get cancelled with this one, correct. So what we left with, in the left hand side we left with n cube, okay, and in the right hand side, so what we get in the left hand side we get n cube, and right hand side what we get is that 3 into summation of n square, because 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, so it is n square, minus 3 into summation of n, 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, so summation of n, plus what we see 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n times, so that means that is equal to n. And when we give this summation size n square, so here n is equal to 1 to n, here n is equal to 1 to n, correct. So what we get, dear students, so from here we are going to proceed in this portion, okay. So what we are going to get, so we are going to get is that n cube, so let's like 3 into summation of n square, n is equal to 1 to n, minus 3 into summation of n equal to 1 to n. What is that? That we get here, that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So 3 into n plus 1 divided by 2, and then plus n, and that is equal to, what we get is that n cube, correct. So what we are going to get it here, dear students, so this implies 3 into summation of n square, that is n equal to, from where n equal to 1 to n is equal to n cube, okay, plus 3 into n plus 1 by 2, okay, and minus n. Okay, now if we simplify this expression, then what we are going to get, let's find it out, okay. So this is equal to, we are going to get is that, LCM will be 2, then here it is 2 into n cube plus, okay, one thing we can do is that, okay, let's continue here. Here what we are going to do is that we can take that n common. If we take that n common, what we are going to get it here is that we get 2n square, okay. So here we get 2n square plus 3 into n plus 1. So what we get here, plus 3 into n plus 1, and here we get minus 2. Let me explain once more, dear students. First we take that n common, here it is n cube, here it is n is there, so we can take n common, then 2 is the LCM, so here it is 2n square. After taking that n common, then here we get 3 into n plus 1 minus 2, because n we already took it out, so it will be minus 2. So then what we get, dear students, so here we get that n into, in the numerator we get n into, we get 2n square plus 3n, 2n square plus 3n plus 3 minus 2, that means plus 1, okay, divided by 2. So from here what we get, dear students, so from here we get that n into, so 2n square plus 3n plus 1, so that we can make an middle term factorization, so we get n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. You see, 2n square plus 3n plus 1, it becomes that n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 2, correct. So what is this value? This value is that 3 into summation n equal to 1 to n square. So that implies what? So what we get? So from here we can write that summation n square. Okay, if we take these 3 here, then it becomes 6. 2 into 3, 6. And that is the value of the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. So this is the one we get. Okay, so let me write it here. So this is the one we get. So obviously here n is varying from 1 to n. Here n is varying from 1 to n. So what we get, dear students, that sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, that we get that n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So let me write it down here. So this is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, I hope you got a very clear idea. So before I proceed, so let me tell you the main important point is this identity, k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube. Why? Because in the left hand side that k cube will get cancelled, and in the right hand side we left with that k square and k summation, k square summation we need to find, k summation we are already aware of, the way I have done it here. In the similar manner, if the moment we are going to do 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube, here also we need to take that k power 4 minus k minus 1 power 4. Correct? So this is the technique. Similarly, if you need to find that 1 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 up to n to the power 4, there we will take k to the power 5 minus k minus 1 to the power 5. That is not required at this level, that is for JEE Advanced. Okay. So as we are now discussing mainly for the boards and the relevant level, so let's first find that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Okay. So let me do it here. So if you recall, when we discussed that principle of mathematical induction, there we proved it. Remember that proved that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. There we use the principle of mathematical induction to prove it. That prove it for n equal to 1. Then we assume that it is true for n equal to k, and with that assumption we prove that it is true for n equal to k plus 1. In case you are not aware of the principle of mathematical induction, please look into my relevant video as available, okay, in YouTube. So please look into it, then you will have a very clear idea. Now dear students, so let's find how to compute the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. Okay. So let me start it here. So what is Sn here, dear students? So Sn is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus, in that way we proceed up to n cube. Now what to do? So first we will do k power 4 minus k minus 1 power 4. That value we need to find it out. Okay. So that will be what, dear students? To compute this one, we can take this is equal to k square whole square minus k minus 1 power 4 means what, dear students? That k minus 1 complete whole square and then another square. Why I have done so? So it become a square minus b square. So this is equal to what? We can write a square minus b square. So a square a plus b means k square plus k minus 1 whole square into, we get k square minus k minus 1 whole square. Okay. So what we get is that k square plus k minus 1 whole square, so that we can expand. So that become k square plus k minus whole square is k square minus 2k plus 1. Correct. And into here again we write k a square minus b square formula, k square minus k minus 1 whole square. So that will become what, dear students? So k plus k minus 1 into k minus k plus 1. Correct. Minus k plus 1. So here plus k and minus k got cancelled. So this will become 1, so 1 into this thing, so you can really ignore this one, so it become 2k minus 1. So that is equal to, we get 2k minus 1 into what we get, k square plus k square, that become 2k square minus 2k plus 1, correct? So now if we expand, what we are going to get, dear students, so we get 2k into 2k square, that become 4k cube, 2k into minus 2k, that becomes minus 4k square, correct? Then 2k into 1, that become plus 2k, then minus 1 into 2k square, that become minus 2k square, then minus 1 into minus 2k, that become plus 2k, and then minus 1 into plus 1, that becomes minus 1. So what we get, dear students, so this is equal to 4k cube minus 4k square minus 2k square, that becomes minus 6k square, plus 2k plus 2k, that becomes plus 4k, and minus 1. So dear students, so if we write it here, so from here if we continue to this part, so what we are going to get, we are going to get that k power 4 minus k minus 1 power 4, this is equal to 4k cube, 4 into k cube minus 6k square, okay, plus 4k minus 1, correct? Now what we are going to do, we are going to apply the value of k as 1, 2, 3 and up to n. So if we apply the value of k is equal to 1, what we are going to get, dear students, the value of k equal to 1, we are going to get it is 1 cube minus 1 minus 1, that is 0, so 1 power 4, sorry, 1 power 4 minus 1 minus 1, that is 0 power 4, that is equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 1. Now let's apply the value of k is equal to 2. The value of k is equal to 2. Once we apply the value of k is equal to 2, we get 2 to the power 4 minus 2 minus 1, that is 1 to the power 4, that is equal to 4 into 2 to the power 3 minus 6 into 2 to the power 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 1. Then we apply the value of k is equal to 3. If we apply the value k is equal to 3, what we are going to get, dear students, so it is 3 to the k equal to 3, so k to the power 4 means 3 to the power 4 minus k minus 1, k minus 1 means 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 to the power 4, that is equal to 4 into k cube means 3 cube minus 6 into k square, that is 3 square plus 4 into k, that is 3 minus 1. In that way, dear students, so we will continue till k equal to n, okay? So if we proceed till k equal to n, in the left hand side what we are going to get, dear students, so we get n to the power 4 minus n minus 1 to the power 4, that is equal to, so 4 into n cube minus 4 into minus 6 into n square plus 4 into n minus 1. So now what we will do, dear students, so we are going to add all these things, okay? If we add all these things, okay, first one, second one, third one, up to nth one, so what we are going to get, we will see that 1 to the power 4 will get cancelled with this 1 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 will get cancelled with this 2 to the power 4. This 3 to the power 4 will get cancelled with, there will be 3 to the power 4 here when if we apply k equal to 4. In the similar manner, n minus 1 to the power 4 will get cancelled with the previous term when we apply k equal to n minus 1. So in the left hand side, what we left with? In the left hand side, we left with n to the power 4. We get n to the power 4. And in the right hand side, what we get is that 4 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. So 4 into summation of n cube, n is equal to 1 to n, minus 6 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. That means minus 6 into summation of n square, n is equal to 1 to n, plus 4 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. That means 4 into summation n, n is equal to 1 to n. And then minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 up to n time. That means minus n. So we get minus n. So what we get, dear students, that n to the power 4 is equal to 4 into summation n equal to 1 to n cube. That's the value we need to find it out. That is nothing but 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. 6 into summation n equal to 1 to n square, that value we are aware of. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. That is nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And then plus 4 into summation n equal to 1 to n. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. That value is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we can apply all these values and finally we get the value of n equal to 1 to n cube. Okay, so let's see how we can find it out. Okay, let's do it here. Okay, so let's proceed from here. Okay, so here what we get? So 4 into, so we can write 4 into summation n cube, that is n is equal to 1 to n, that is equal to n to the power 4, okay, plus 6 into summation n square, plus 6 into summation n square, n equal to 1 to n, correct. Then minus 4 into summation n equal to 1 to n, minus 4 into summation n equal to 1 to n, correct. And then plus n, minus n comes to here, that becomes plus n. So what we get, dear students, so we need to apply all these values. So this is equal to, we get n to the power 4 plus 6 into summation n equal to 1 to n square, that is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square, that is nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So what we can write, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, correct. Then minus 4 into summation n equal to 1 to n, that is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So we can write n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and then plus n, plus n. So let me give a border, okay. So then what we get, dear students, so this is equal to, we get n to the power 4 plus 6 and 6 got cancelled here, so we get n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus that 2 and 4 get cancelled, we get 2 here, so we get 2 into n plus 1 plus we get n, correct. So now let's simplify. So we will take these two terms, and from these two terms we can take n into n plus 1 common. So what we get here, dear students, so this is equal to n to the power 4 plus n into n plus 1 we take common, n into n plus 1 we take common, then what we get it here, 2n plus 1 minus 2n plus 1 minus 2 plus n. So now 2n plus 1 minus 2, that means 2n minus 1, so we can write it here that 2n minus 1, correct? So 2n minus 1, and we can write here it is a plus n, correct? So now dear students, so what we can write is that in all these terms we can take n common, correct? N power 4, n into n plus 1 into 2n minus 1 plus n. So let's take n common. If we take n common, what we are going to get? We are going to get, here it is n cube because n power 4 was there, we took n common, so it become n cube, plus n plus 1 into 2n minus 1, correct? Because n we took outside, and plus n, it will become plus 1, correct dear students? So now let's proceed in this part of this board. Okay. So what we are going to get it here dear students, so this is nothing but 4 into, so here we proceed, so 4 into summation of n cube, n equal to 1 to n, that is equal to, we get n into, here it is n cube plus n plus 1 into 2n minus 1, that become n into 2n, that become 2n square, correct? N into 2n is 2n square, n into minus 1, that becomes minus n, then 1 into 2n, that becomes 2n, then 1 into minus 1, that becomes minus 1, and here it is plus 1. So second bracket is not required, first bracket is sufficient. So what we get it here to dear students, so we get n into, we get n cube plus 2n square, okay, then minus n plus 2n, that becomes plus n, and minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled, correct? Okay, so this is equal to what dear students? So n, now from all these terms, that n cube plus 2n square plus n, we can take one n common. So then what we left with? N square plus 2n plus 1, correct? Then what we are going to get? So this is equal to n square into n square plus 2n plus 1, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that means n plus 1 whole square, correct dear students? So n plus 1 whole square. So that is equal to, total we get dear students, so n into n plus 1 complete whole square, correct? Now what is this value? This value is nothing but 4 into summation of n cube, correct? N equal to 1 to n. So from here what we are going to get, so this implies that summation n cube, n is equal to 1 to n, that is equal to n, so this 4 will come into the denominator, and 4 is 2 square, so we can bring 2 inside this square. So we will get n into n plus 1 divided by 2 complete whole square, correct? So this is the result we get dear students, okay, that summation n equal to 1 to n cube, that means the sum of the cube of the first n natural numbers, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 complete whole square. So what is this value we get dear students? So n into n plus 1 divided by 2 complete whole square, correct dear students? Now if you see the sum of the first n natural number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, that is n into n plus 1 by 2, and 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. That means for memorization you can think of the sum of the cube of the first n natural numbers is nothing but sum of the first n natural numbers whole square. This is nothing but the sum of the first n natural numbers, na? This one. If you look into this part, that n into n plus 1 by 2, this is nothing but this one, right? So that is why just to memorization you can remember like this. With this note, dear students, let me conclude the class here, and in the next class we will solve some questions on arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.